Well?
Do we really have to do this?
Oh, for God's sakes, man up. They're just parents. If I can handle you, I think I can handle them.
Can I go in first? Make sure everything's sound and safe. Look, you're meeting them, aren't you? 2 minutes, I swear. Mom? Dad? Where y'all at? It's safe hours, so you better be decent.
I told you I heard Austin.
Hearing like a dolphin, your mama had an ass better than Kim Kardashian.
Are you two fucking kidding me?
Baby, please watch your language.
Watch my lap. And you're there? No. No way in hell y'all meeting Dana.
Well, fine. He wasn't interested in meeting her anyway.
Honey, I think that's the name of his girlfriend.
Wait,
Austin, don't be like that.
What happened? Why aren't we going inside?
I'm sorry, Dana. I have to take you home. Please. Don't be mad.
Tin, baby, can we talk about this, please?
Talk about what? Y'all broke safe hours. Again.
Now, my dog wasn't in her butt, so we didn't break it. I was just hungry and needed a plate.
Any other night you love breakfast for dinner.
Why do I even bother? There's always some exception, some technicality or loophole.
Sweetie, we're sorry. You were out, and there was only an hour left in safe hours. I mean, we got a little restless. I know. Snow.
Excuse? No, it isn't.
Your mom's trying to say sorry. We know you took Dana home. You don't have to make us feel any worse.
Look, I know you're sorry. I do. But I know how you are, too. And sorry doesn't mean something like this won't happen again.
It won't. Omelets are a little too neat. Might be French toast next time.
And this is what I'm talking about.
My love for breakfast food?
I need some kind of refuge. Your job's all sets. All the time.
Sweetie, we're therapists. therapists, not porn stars. Exercises are clothes.
Pasties and thongs. That's clothes to you guys, huh?
I know you're mad, but you're getting a little too loud. Practically wake the neighbor's kids.
I envy those kids. Those planned kids. They get way more perks than us middle school accidents.
So, does this mean we're never gonna meet Dana?
Ask me in the morning, because tonight, it's a hell yes. Dana.
What are you still doing here, Mr. Chavy? Stalker bunch?
I had a counselor meeting to go to. So, name calling. I guess that means you're not mad at me anymore? Look, I had every intention to introduce you yesterday. It's just my mom and dad are in the right position to be around new people. Look, you'll meet them. I promise.
Man, 10's getting his Mac on. Think his old man deserves a go too. Out here for 2 hours during active time, and for what?
Quiet.
He can't hear us, babe.
Just give it a sec. Let's see if Austin leaves.
You win. Now, counselor's meeting, go.
I finished the next step to that abroad architecture program. Just need to run some info off at admissions.
Wait, why are you still standing here then? Post office closes in 12 minutes.
Well, I haven't seen you all day. Had to make sure you weren't mad at me. And now, I'm gonna walk you to your car.
Oh, so chivalrous of you, Mr. Chavy, but no. Go and make a run for it.
So I'll call you when I'm finished? Maybe stop by?
You better.
Okay, I think he's leaving now. Any son of mine should be walking his girlfriend to his car, but that's beside the point.
And so, what's the plan?
So we'll just pull up to her. You can start the car now. Right, and we'll just strike up a conversation, like... Dana, is that you?
Yeah. How are you doing?
Aw, you don't know me, but you acted like you did. I like that. I'm Jade, Austin's mom.
Oh my gosh. Wow, Mrs. Chavy. Hi. And that would make you...
Austin's older brother, Chase.
Please, like I look old enough to be your mom. If anything, I'd be the older sister and you'd be our dad.
Girl, please. Dana, tiebreaker.
Well, I don't really,
Shit, look at us. I'm starting to see 10's hesitance.
Dana, we just think it's about time we all got to know each other. You know, we love Austin, you love, you like, or you're in like.
Would you like to come over to our house for dinner tonight?
Well, Austin was, you know, dinner sounds perfect. What time?
What are you about to do right now?
I don't have anything to do, so I'm free.
Wonderful. So just follow us on home and we'll see you in a bit.
Okay.
You gotta be kidding me.
Okay, little further back, honey. Yeah.
What the fuck is going on?
Austin, it really isn't as bad as it looks.
I say you can't meet her, so you put her in your sex swing?
Do you want next?
You're not even taking this seriously. Like everything. How about this for serious? I'm going to Egypt for a year.
That's not funny, Tim.
You see me laughing?
Watch it, Tim.
You can't even lock your shit up for 2 seconds after I plead with you two. So I'm going to physically remove myself, like I'm about to do now. You see why I was hesitant about all this?
Austin, it really
No, I
isn't-
think you need to go on home. I'm gonna step out too and clear my head.
I should go after him.
No. I'll go talk to Austin. Man to man. Let Jay make you some dinner.
I don't feel like talking.
Okay, we don't have to talk.
How did that even happen?
Well, we invited Dana over for dinner once you left the parking lot.
At school?
So Dana followed us home, and when we got there, she asked what was for dinner. Your mom asked how did she feel about breakfast for dinner.
No more. I can guess the rest.
But I think I'm starting to get it, Tin. Why you didn't want to introduce her. Why you get so mad at us.
Yeah. Not gonna change anything.
We were 15 when we had you. Kids. We grew up with you. And it's always just been the three of us.
I know, Dad.
But do you? Do you really? You've always been the biggest part of our lives. But you're so different than how we are, how we were. It's hard not to include you in everything.
You think?
But if I'm starting to figure it out, then your mom's not too far behind. We just want you to be happy. What the hell you was gonna do in Africa again?
You're still here?
You know I never say no to food. And your mom can go down. Are you okay? Look, for what it's worth, I adore your parents. I mean, if they were my parents, you know, I'd probably... they're really good people who are totally in love with you. Don't be so hard on them. You ever stop in the morning?
I know you're still pissed at us.
Look, I love you both, despite many of your flaws.
This must mean no Egypt.